There are three types of compressed natural gas fueling stations: time fill, Cascade fast fill, and buffered fast fill. All three may utilize natural gas that has either been purchased from a local utility or that has been converted into compressed natural gas from liquefied natural gas. Now it's time to learn about our second CNG fueling station type, the Cascade Fast Fill Refueling Station. Cascade Fast Fill is generally used in situations where 5 to 30 light and medium vehicles are filled in a peak fueling period of 30 to 90 minutes, or where medium or heavy-duty vehicles are fueled sporadically throughout the day. A total fill cycle will usually require 4 to 10 minutes per vehicle. When a Cascade Fast Fill refueling station is standing by, ready to refuel a vehicle, the compressor will be off, and all three Cascade storage banks will be filled to between 4,100 and 4,250 pounds per square inch. The pressure differential between the higher pressure in the storage banks and the lower pressure in the vehicle's storage provides the driving force necessary to fill the vehicles. The following example simulates the operation of a typical Cascade Fast Fill station. Vehicle number 1 pulls into the refueling station and connects to the dispenser. Vehicle number 1 is completely filled from bank 1. Vehicle number 2 pulls in and connects to the dispenser. Vehicle number 2 is 70% filled from bank 1, at which time the pressure equalizes and flow stops. The sequencing system then directs bank 2 to begin to flow, completely filling the vehicle. Vehicle number 3 pulls in and connects to the dispenser. Vehicle number 3 is 50% filled from bank 1, at which time the pressure equalizes and flow stops. The sequencing system then directs bank 2 to begin to flow. Bank 2 fills the vehicle to 70% full before the pressure equalizes and flow stops. The sequencing system then directs bank 3 to begin to flow, completely filling the vehicle. Vehicle number 4 pulls in and connects to the dispenser. Unlike the first three vehicles, which were fairly empty, vehicle number 4 is already 70% full. Since vehicle number 4 is nearly full, neither bank 1 or 2 can provide any flow. The sequencing system goes directly to bank 3, which completely fills the vehicle. So long as bank 3 remains relatively full, the station can continue to completely fuel vehicles regardless of the pressure in banks 1 and 2. Once the station control senses that bank 3 is depleted to a point where it will be unable to completely fill the next vehicle, it signals the compressor to start. Once started, the priority fill system initially directs the flow of gas to bank 3. In this way, the amount of compressor starts and stops is reduced. Vehicle number 5 pulls in and connects to the dispenser. As before, vehicle number 5 is partially filled from banks 1, 2, and 3. If vehicle number 5 is not completely filled when the pressure equalizes in bank 3, the sequencing system directs gas from the compressor to the vehicle through the storage bypass to completely fill the vehicle. The sequencing system controls the flow of gas from the storage banks to the vehicle. The order of sequencing is bank 1, followed by bank 2, then bank 3, and finally the storage bypass. It's important that each dispenser fueling hose at the station have its own independent set of sequencing valves. The priority fill system controls the flow of gas from the compressor to refill the storage banks, as well as to the storage bypass when applicable, starting with bank 3, then bank 2, and finally bank 1. Each Cascade station has one set of priority valves. Once all storage banks are refilled, the compressor shuts down. There are several thousand public access compressed natural gas fueling stations around the world. The majority of these stations utilize a Cascade Fast Fill fueling system. Cascade Fast Fill stations can be sized to meet virtually any need.